Hey guys, so this week we're taking a break from our journal diary, whatever we're doing with that. And I wanted to show you a really important tool that you're going to need to deal with these PDFs called DocHub. Now, DocHub is one tool that you can use. There are a plethora of others. I think that some people are just having luck working with PDFs in Adobe or in Chrome or in a number of different other programs. And there's a number of different ways you can do it. But I wanted to show you how well you could do this with DocHub. So, what you can do with DocHub is you can put PDFs into DocHub, you can edit them, then download them again and submit them to the Dropbox, and all the stuff you put in there will be there. So I want to show you exactly how to do that. So the first thing you need to do, you need to make sure you're signed in to your school Google account because you have a DocHub account through that. So first thing we do is we sign in and we just press the sign in with Google button there, and that will sign you in under your Google. Yep, then it'll ask you uh, for your Google account there. It's going to take a bit to do that. So while that's loading, I'm going to go ahead and go to the language arts assignment real quick. Give me just a moment for that to pick up as, there we go. So I'm going to go to one of the language arts activities recently that you did called the Elements of Narrative. And so let me get into that real quick and show you exactly how this would work. Sorry that this is going so slow. I was hoping it would be a little bit better. Here we go. All right, so this is how I'm going to access the elements of narrative right now. And this is one of the number of ways you can do it. All right. So once this loads, this is going to bring this up. Okay. Now, I've got this in Chrome. Now, if you've already been able to download this, you're good. But if not, this is the download button. You need to download it first onto your computer before you can put it to DocHub. All right, so it's downloaded. So then we go to DocHub. Now we're all signed into DocHub. First, we select this new document. All right, and then we go to computer. I'm going to go to downloads, and there it is right there. I'm going to go ahead and upload this to DocHub. All right, so from here, I can start editing this particular document. I'm going to put a check mark here because I like that. I'm going to say, and for my conflict, I'm going to say, bully wants to fight me, yourself, fighting depression, and for nature, I've said caught in a hurricane. And for the sake of time, that's all I'm going to do. So let's say I've finished everything I want to do with this assignment. The next thing that I do, I go to this icon right here to download it again. Okay, so I'm going to download this to my computer. I can download it to Drive if I want to, and it goes straight to your Google Drive, but I'm going to download it to the computer for now. And there it shows up right there. So I'm going to go ahead and close out DocHub to show you what we're doing. I'm going to close this out too and close that out too. That was my original download of everything. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring up the Finder, or I'm going to bring up, and here is, once it comes up, my edited version of the PDF, and it has everything that I put in there. Okay, So DocHub is an excellent way that you can use the PDFs in order to make sure that you're using the worksheet and getting everything in that you want. Now, it's very important that you make all the revisions in DocHub and then check it, double check it, maybe even triple check it before you download it from DocHub again. Because once you put everything into DocHub, you can't change it again. All right. So if you have any questions on DocHub, please let me know and we will go over that. Live session tomorrow, Tuesday, 12 o'clock Colorado, 11 o'clock Arizona. Look forward to seeing you guys there. Bye bye.